what's good YouTube? This is your boy Sabi and I'm back again with another video. I'm here by Autostyle. I want to buy these globes. I should come back for this. Got new accessories for the golf now. I'm at Plaza, the rental plaza, for interior, for my interior, you know, because I want to change my interior. My interior looks. Get myself a key holder and maybe a VW key holder. And can have one big, and you can have one big coffee. I ended up not buying what I came here for actually. I ended up buying something else which I didn't need. I ended up buying things I didn't need. Honestly, I don't need these. Because I also bought this key holder. As I was saying, I bought things I didn't need. I came here to look for material I could put, like a designer could put for my interior. I bought the cheapest Garfield you could ever find. You can tell this is a cheap Garfield because look at him. Okay, fuck. There we go. Look at this. No, just look at this. This looks wrong. First of all, the mustache. The one from Autostyle was like 250 rands. And this one is 130. If anyone needs a Garfield, a teddy bear, contact me. Selling them for 170 bucks. Large one, not a small one, my boys. See, I'm telling you, we in. I think we're calling the golf Garfield. And I bought a Sonic key holder thingy. Because why not? Like literally, because why not? And I bought a VW one. Because why not? Hey, where the fuck is the VW one? Also because why not? You know what I mean? Why not? VW. For my, I think my spare key will have this one because my main key has an Arsenal one. I don't have the Sonic one. Then this one will be for my spare key. So what's good? Just came back from Hot Wheels and bought these from this place and bought wiper blades because I don't have any wiper blades. Not wiper blades, wiper arms and wiper blades. Wipers. So I just need to try putting them. Let me just Google how you put these. It feels like you just push them in. Don't need to Google this. The left side, I got to believe, and this is the right side. So yeah, let me put these in. Yeah, this is the left side. So I just think I'd like to believe you just push. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, so I think I need a bolt for that. Need to search for a bolt for that. Why is this one not doing the things that need to be done? For some reason, this side isn't doing the things that need to be done. You see, this one is flexy here. You can do this. On this side, you cannot. I feel like I'm gonna break it if I try. Let me just try it off camera. There we go. So I just need to find nuts. As about to oh, so now I'm opening this. Like, who in their right mind sells? Okay, not who, but why do they sell these wiper arms without the bolts that you need? Doesn't make any sense. Just move. And what is this for? Oh, to lock this in here. See, I know I felt that as well. They actually have sides. I don't think they have sides. The universe 18-inch weight. So let me just put them in there. Hey. First DIY job done. Did it with my own hands. Didn't ask for any help. But I only did 90% of the job because I still need to find the nuts that I should put the Titans. But yeah, let me just ask the guys here. And the mechanic didn't come today. So I've been waiting for him here. I've been waiting for him like since the morning. He hasn't come. Yeah, not my dad's. He hasn't come. He said he'll come tomorrow. So I only came here for my halaha. So he said he'll come tomorrow. So yeah, wiper blades in. Cannot wait to wiperize because it's almost summer. I have to wiperize. I still need to fix this, bro. Like, get the dingle dongle that. So when I do this, it works. It has to be like proper. See, to get new side panels because doing any justice. But the front ones are okay, to be honest. The front ones are okay. They just need to be carved. Never mind, I need new boards.